Do you want to visualize processes and break down complex problems within your company? Empower teams to build on each other's ideas. Foster collaboration jumpstarts, co-creation, and boost innovation? At Brand Academy, we teach you how to communicate, collaborate, and co-create with visuals in several interactive workshops, helping you unleash your creativity and reach your goals. You learn all about emotions, interactions, and how to use icons and metaphors as a way to communicate more effectively. These workshops are developed by Bureau Brand. We are successful visual thinkers and believe there's a visual thinker in everyone. We challenge ourselves to minimize unnecessary use of words and use visuals instead. Our mission is to help people reach their full potential and gain more results in business by doing things visually. And by doing so, we already published our book Visual Thinking by Willemien BRAND, a corporate bestseller. Brand Academy helps you use new skills in your profession, building bridges between you, your colleagues, and your customers, using visuals to clarify and understand each other's messages. Bureau Brand. Integrate visual thinking and make your communication more successful.